Christmas turkey is one dish that some of us actually really want to avoid. But do it this way and you will have a really moist, tasty Christmas turkey. As usual, ingredients in the description below, and please don't forget to subscribe. We're going to fill the cavity in the pan with a few things. So start by cutting your onions, your lemons and your garlics. If your garlic starts to fall apart when you cut it sideways, don't worry about it, you can still use it. Grab your rosemary and your thyme and finely chop them. Then crush a few cloves of garlic and finely mince them. Right now we're making the flavoring for the butter. Then zest a whole lemon, then add all your ingredients to a bowl of room temperature butter, which you are going to mix thoroughly. This herb and garlic butter will be used under the skin of the turkey as well as over the skin to give it a really nice brown color. It goes without saying that if you're using a frozen turkey, let it defrost completely and then pat it dry. Make sure you also pat the underneath of the turkey as well. Now if you want a really moist turkey, you're gonna have to get your hands dirty. Now place your hand carefully under the skin of the turkey and separate it from the breast. Be careful because it can be quite easy to tear apart, so slowly make your way through. Then grab a nice spoonful of your garlic and herb butter and place it under the skin that you have just separated. And you are now going to massage the butter all over the turkey breast. You are now creating a butter layer, if you will, which is slowly going to melt as it's roasting, and it's going to give a wonderful flavor to the turkey as well as ensuring your turkey isn't dry. Now place your lemons, onions into the cavity as well as a bay leaf. Now this is a 2.5 kilogram turkey, so fairly small one. So if you're using bigger one, adjust your stuffing accordingly. I personally hate that tail part, so I'm cutting away, but feel free to leave it if you want. Line your baking tray with foil or baking paper like I'm using here, and use your other onion halves, lemon, garlic and herbs, and you are almost creating a bed that the turkey is going to rest on. So your turkey is not going to touch the bottom of the tray, but all the juices that are going to come from the turkey and from the vegetables going to create a lovely gravy. Rub some olive oil all over the turkey, making sure you get all sides. Grab some foil and create something like a tent. So wrap it all around the tray without touching the turkey and leave the foil almost hovering over the turkey so that it's not touching it, but making sure that it's covered. Place that into a preheated oven at 170 fan assisted or 190 otherwise, following the cooking time instructed on the packaging. After 2 hours, my turkey has started to cook quite well. It hasn't really taken that color yet. So you're now going to add the remainder of your butter, all of your turkey, and leave that into the oven for half an hour uncovered, at which point you will see that it should have browned really well. Pierce the thigh, and if you see clear juices, your turkey has cooked well, but of course you can also use a meat thermometer. Overall, the turkey has taken a lovely color all around. Now your turkey has been cooking for quite a while, so it's going to continue cooking in the residual heat, so do not wrap with foil. Instead, let that rest for at least 20 minutes. The juices will go back into the meat and will still be warm. You have a lot of juices left in the pan. The best thing to do is remove the lemons and blend all of that together. It will make a lovely gravy. But going back to the turkey, you can tell that it's still really moist. It's cutting so easily. Let's look at my favorite part of the turkey, which is the leg. The meat is very moist, it's easily tearing apart and it's super soft. Is it as good as chicken? No, I'm not going to fool you, but it's very close. Follow these instructions and you have a really tasty Christmas turkey. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy the holidays.